Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to do subtraction in base 5. In base 5 is also known as Quinary numbers, and in base 5 we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's look at some examples. We have 4, 4, 2, 2, base 5 minus 2, 2, 2, 3 base 5. 2 minus 3, cannot draw one here, call this one 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, this one 1, call one here, call this one 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, all in base 5. Let's look at another example. So you have 4, 0, 4, 2 in base 5 minus 1, 4, 4, 2 base 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 4, cannot borrow one here, call it 5. This one is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. All in base 5. Let's look at more examples. We have 1, 0, 1, 3, 0 base 5 minus 3, 4, 1, 4 base 5. 0 minus 4, can't borrow one here, call it 5, 4, 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. This one, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 4, cannot, nothing here, borrow one here, call it 5. You borrow one here, call it 4. 1. Bring it here, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. All in base 5. Let's look at more examples. We have 1, 3, 1, 0, 0 base 5 minus 3, 1, 1, 0 base 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1, cannot borrow one here, call it 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. This one is 0. Cannot borrow one here, call it 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. This one remains 2. Borrow one here, call this one 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. All in base 5. Thank you for watching.